I'm Jason, my name is Jason. This is me and my guitar, this is my guitar. Oh, this is mine.
He's Jason, his name is Jason. This is Jason, I'm his sister, but that is mine.
Oh, it's yours?
Yeah.
She's Chloe, her name is Chloe. This is Chloe with her brother, and those are her drums.
No, it's their drums.
Theirs?
Yup.
I, me, my, mine, he, his, she, her, hers, this, that, these, those, it, its, we, were, ours, they, them, their, theirs, is, our, you and yours, they, them, their, theirs. The one who can sing this song speaks well.
I'm Jennifer, my name is Jennifer. This is me and my man Steve, those are our kids.
Hey, they're our kids.
Our grandkids.
They're family, the old family. And I married Jason, so now they're mine.
Oh, we're all Sarah's. I, me, my, mine, he, his, she, her, hers, this, that, these, those, it, its, we, were, ours, they, them, their, theirs, is, our, you and yours, they, them, their, theirs. The one who can sing this song speaks well.
Can you sing that song with him?
Hey!
I, me, my, mine, he, his, she, her, hers, this, that, these, those, it, its, we, were, ours, they, them, their, theirs, his, our, you and yours, they, them, their, theirs.
The one who can sing this song speaks well. We're relatives, we're all related, and now this song is finished. Bye!
He's Jason, his name is Jason, and me and his sister. I don't know the words. And his sister, that is mine.
Oh, it's yours?
Yeah.
This is Chloe with her brother and the drums.
The lights on, huh?
No, Levi.
Oh, this is mine.
You sing that song with them.
Good, good. Again, more peacefully.
Our grandkids.
This, that, these, those, speaks well.
Oh, and then that.
Hey!
Oh, hold on.
Eloy is my best employee. Everybody ready?
We're gonna dance with you, okay?
This, that, these, those.